Guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Now we will make an ice white mocha. Guys, I have energy today because it's my birthday. You know, ice white mocha. The measurement of the white chocolate mocha is just 40 ml and 2 shots of espresso. Ito nga pala ako. For those who don't know me, it's my birthday. It's your birthday. It's a birthday. 40. We will grind the beans for 18 grams. 18 grams good for 2 shots. And this is my barista for today. Miss Janisa Rose Batan. Sawadika!
Nice video. Seryoso tayo.
Now we will put in the group lead. Ayan, group lead yan.
Group lead.
Now,
So, espresso.
we'll take the espresso shot. It's just an ice white mocha drinks. Not hot. It's just cold. Parang siya, nanlalamig na.
Hugo.
We'll wait until it's finished. It's done. Now we will stir to mix the coffee, the combination of coffee and the white chocolate mocha. Hi. Now we will put an ice in that. Not too much ice. Then we will put the milk. Don't disturb us. I'm making my vlog.
For a milk.
Come on in. It's a white chocolate mocha. It's done.